Hello everyone, I am Mayank and welcome to Simply Learn. Today, we will take you through the hands-on lab demo of how you can do the sentimental analysis of Amazon customer reviews. Before we start, I hope the screen is clearly visible and the audio is fine. If yes, please type in yes. If there are any issues, do let us know in the chat section so that we can resolve them. Let's wait for some more minutes to let other people join. Let's wait for some more minutes to let other people join. Let me tell you guys that we have regular updates on multiple technologies. If you are a tech geek on a continuous hunt for the latest technological trends, then consider subscribing to our YouTube channel and press that bell icon to never miss any update from Simply Learn. Great, I think we can get started. So in today's session, we will go through the what is sentimental analysis. After that, we will see types of sentimental analysis. We will see some application of sentiment analysis, and at the end, we will see hands-on lab demo like how to implement sentiment analysis using Python in detail. We already have Amazon customer dataset with us. We will perform different function and analyze data for sentiment analysis using Python. You can download dataset from the description box below. So, before we move on the programming part, let's discuss what is sentiment analysis actually is and proceed further for the same. Sentiment analysis, sometimes known as opinion mining, is a technique used in natural language processing (NLP) to determine the emotional undertone of a document. This is a common method used by organizations to identify and group ideas regarding a certain good, service, or concept. Text is mined for sentiment and subjective information using data mining, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. Tools for sentiment analysis assist businesses in extracting information from unstructured, unorganized language found in online sources like emails, blog posts, support tickets, web chats, forums, and comments. Algorithms use rule based, automatic, or hybrid technology to replace manual data processing. While automatic systems use machine learning to learn from their data, rule based systems execute sentiment analysis using predetermined. Lexicon based rules combining the two methods result in hybrid sentiment analysis. Sentiment analysis or opinion mining can extract the subject, opinion holder, and polarity or the degree of positivity and negative from the text and identify sentiment. Additionally, other scopes including document, paragraph, sentence, and sub-sentence level can be used for sentiment analysis. After seeing what is sentiment analysis, let's discuss some types of sentiment analysis. So the first one is fine-grained sentiment analysis. By segmenting sentiment, each phrase or clause in a sentence is broken down and examined in relationship to the others. Simply said, you can tell who review a product and what topics a person specifically discussed in their feedback. And the second one is emotion detection. Instead of identifying positivity and negativity, emotion detection recognizes particular emotions. Example could include shock, rage, grief, frustration, and happiness. And the third one is intent based analysis. In addition to identify opinions in a text, the intent based analysis also identifies behaviors. For instance, a frustrated online comment about changing a battery can motivate customer care to get in touch to address that particular problem. And the last one is aspect based analysis. Collects the precise component that is being mentioned either favorably or unfavorably. For instance, a client may write in a product review that the battery life is too short. The system will then respond that the battery life is the main complaint and not the product as a whole. So after seeing types of sentiment analysis, let's see some application of sentiment analysis. Organization can employ sentiment analysis technologies for a number of purposes such as determining brand popularity, reputation, and awareness at a particular period or over time. Customer service requests into categories. And the next one is monitoring consumer response to new improvements or products. And the fourth one is identifying the demographics or target market. And the fifth one is determining the effectiveness of a marketing effort. So here is one question for you guys. I will give you 1 minute for this. You can comment or you can give answers in chat section. So I can see if the answers given by you are right or wrong. So the question is text analytics also refers to as text mining? I'm repeating again. Is text analytics also refers to as text mining? The options are true or false. So let us know your answer in comment section below or in chat section. So I'm starting timer of 1 minute. Just type your answer in comment section or in chat section. Do let me know your answers. So I'm starting timer of 1 minute. I kindly ask that everyone take part in this to make this live session exciting. So the question is text analytics also refers to as text mining? 35 seconds are left. Do let me know your answers. I kindly ask that everyone take part in this to make the live session exciting. You want 20 seconds left. You can comment or you can give your answer in chat section so I can see if the answers given by you are right or wrong. So time up guys. So after the allotted time has passed, those who provided the correct response will receive a response and those who provided the incorrect response will receive one. Okay. Now let's move to a programming part to perform sentiment analysis using Amazon customer dataset. So first we will open command prompt to write command to open Jupyter notebook. So here we will write Jupyter notebook, press enter. Okay, it's Jupyter notebook. So this is the landing page of Jupyter notebook and here you can select new Python file. It's loading. So this is how the Jupyter UI looks like. So at first we will import some bunch of major libraries of Python which will help us in mathematical functioning. So the first one is NumPy. So first I will write NumPy, import NumPy as NP. NumPy is a Python library used for working with arrays. It also has functions for working in the domain of linear algebra and matrices. It is an open source project and you can use it freely. NumPy stands for numerical Python. So the next one is Pandas. I will write here import Pandas as PD. So Pandas is a software library written for a Python programming language for data manipulation and analysis. In particular, it offers data structures and operation for manipulating numerical tables and time series. After that, we will import NLTK. So the Natural Language Toolkit NLTK is a Python programming environment for creating application for statistical natural language processing NLP for parsing, classification, stemming, tagging and semantic reasoning. It includes text processing libraries. So after that we will import from NLTK dot sentiment dot Vader import sentiment density analyzer. Okay, there is no colon. Yeah. So the lexicon and rule-based sentiment analysis tool VADER. VADER means Valence Aware Dictionary and Essential Reasoning. Is a customized precisely to sentiments expressed on social media. VADER makes use of variety of a sentiment lexicon is a collection of lexical elements such as words that are often classified as either positive or negative depending on their semantic orientation. VADER not only informs us of the positivity and negativity scores but also of the sentimentality of each score. So the next one is import RE. Python RE module fully supports regular expression similar to those in Perl. If a regular expression, compilation or use error occurs, the RE modules raises the expression RE. Two key functions that are used to manage regular expression will be covered. So RE means regular expressions. So the next one is from xblob import text blob. Okay. So a Python 2 or 3 package called text blob is used to process textual data. It offers a straightforward API to explore typical natural language processing (NLP) tasks like part of speech tagging, noun phrase extraction, sentiment analysis, classification, translation, and more. So the next one is import words from word cloud. A word cloud, commonly refers to as a tag cloud, is an image of words. Popular words and phrases are highlighted using cloud creators depending on their frequency and importance. They give you immediate, straightforward visual insights that can inspire more through analysis. And the next one is import Seaborn as SNS. Yeah. So, like an open source Python library based on Matplotlib is called Seaborn. It is utilized for data exploration and data visualization, where data frames and the pandas library Seaborn function with ease. So the next one is import matplotlib dot pyplot as plt. Okay, yeah, seems good. For Python and its numerical expression NumPy, Matplotlib is a cross-platform data visualization and graphical charting package. As a result, it presents a strong open source substitute for MATLAB. The APIs for Matplotlib allow programmers to incorporate graphs into GUI applications. And the next one is import cufflinks cufflinks as CF. Perfect. Another Python module called cufflink links Plotly with pandas so that charts can be easily created on data frames. In essence, it functions like a plugin. So next in line matplotlib. Matplotlib. So you can enable inline plotting by using the magic function percentage matplotlib inline, which causes the plots and graphs to appear below the cell where your plotting commands are entered. Similar to a Jupyter notebook, it offers backend interactivity in front ends. So next we will import what you can like we can import okay from plotly dot offline import init underscore notebook underscore mode comma plot. Okay. Init underscore notebook mode. True. Okay, it's true. Yeah. Df dot go underscore offline. So yeah, in order to display the plot inside the notebook, you need to initiate plotly notebook mode as follows, like this. Keep rest of the script as it is like it and run the notebook cell by pressing, you can shift plus enter. Graph will be displayed offline inside the notebook. So basically it is used for the offline graphing, you can say. Okay. So next we will import from plotly dot subplots. Subplots are important. Import make underscore subplot. Okay, yeah. The non-leaf nodes in this figure schema are represented by a hierarchy of Python classes that was automatically constructed and is found in the plotly.graph objects, which is normally imported as Go. These class instances are referred to as graph object, the plotly defined fundamental classes. Okay. So here we will import some like warnings, you can say, like to get not error. So we will import, let me give a line space, import warnings, yeah, warnings dot filter warning ignore warnings dot warn, and this like will not show. And let me add something, pd dot set option display dot max underscore columns. Okay, import words from word cloud. Okay, there is an error. Let me check. What's the error? Okay. Import this word cloud from word cloud. It's capital and W is also capital. Here W will be capital. Let it put it small only. From word cloud. Okay, my bad. Here word from word cloud. From word cloud. Import word cloud. Okay. Yeah, seems good. So where were we? Yeah, in warnings. Despite the notification, the software continues to execute. To display warning messages, utilize the warn found in the warning module. The Python built-in class expression is a subclass of the warning module, which is used to display warning messages, import warnings. Okay. For seeing full data, every single columns like, okay, there is error, cborn. No module has cborn. So S will be small. Got it? Okay, inline is only like something like that. Inline. Okay, any errors now? I guess no error. Okay. Yeah. For seeing full data, like every single columns of PD. So here we are using this pd.set option. So we can use for it. So moving forward, let's import dataset. So for importing dataset, we will write here like df equals to pd dot read csv. Okay. Here dataset name. Yeah. So you can download dataset from the description box below. So no worries for that. So let me run this. Okay. So like here is PD is for pandas library. Read is used for reading the dataset from the machine, and CSV is used for the type of file which you want to read. So let's see our data. So here I will write df dot head. Yeah. So if you want to see top 5 rows of your data set, you can use head. And if you want to see 5 rows of your data set, you can use tail instead of head. This one. Okay, so this is our data set with only 5 rows. If you want to see full data set, you can like starting from 0 and ending it 4914 rows. Okay, 49115 rows and 12 columns. Right. So let me give something like this for the better visual. Yeah. Okay. So moving ahead, let's sort this Wilson bound column to ascending order for better analysis. So I am talking about this Wilson lower bound column. This one. For it's not 000 like in all the rows. So let me show you. So here you have to write like df equals to df dot sort values Wilson, spelling should be correct, lower bound. I will make it to ascending order, descending order. So df dot drop named. Okay. Unnamed colon 0. Okay. In place equals to true, comma axis equals to 1. Okay, so let's see our data. So here you can see the data is sorted in as ascending order. Okay. So the provided row or column is eliminated via the drop function. The drop method eliminates the specified column when the column axis is specified. The drop method eliminates the designated row when the row axis is supplied. Okay, so I hope you guys understand till here. If you have any queries or like any queries regarding any code or there is something question till here, just put as in comments. Our team will shortly provide you the correct solution. Okay. So moving forward, let's make a function for missing values. So, okay. So I will write here like df missing values analysis. Okay, it's def for function we use def. Yeah, def columns was to col for columns for or col in df dot columns if df column is null dot sum is greater than 0 underscore miss equals to df underscore columns underscore is null dot sum what we dot sort underscore values like in ascending ascending equals to true. Okay. Like sum be like this and this. That's fine, I guess. Yeah. So here I will write ratio underscore equals to df na underscore columns underscore dot is null. Same thing that sum divided by f dot shape level 100 dot sort values sending equals to true. Fine. Okay, okay. Sum is okay, and the df part. That sort value is equals to sending equals to true. Fine. So here we will write missing underscore df equals to pd dot concat p dot round ratio underscore comma 2. Yeah, perfect. Where axis will be 1. Okay, is equals to I will give like total, where I will write missing values, okay, comma, ratio, thing, underscore df equals to pd dot data frame score df. Okay, so let me return thing df. Let me create one more function for like check data frame. So df check underscore data frame. Okay, it equals to 5 comma tail equals to 5. So here I will write print shape. Okay, dot center 2 comma again for rows print rows curly braces. Okay, dot format s- dot format yeah, dot shape 0. So for columns print dot shape print types like of types of data dot center same as like that 82 comma int df dot d types center. Just printing this is like you will see, don't worry, just stay with me, you will see the beautiful result. Okay, print values, print missing values, analysis analysis like df. Okay, then again duplicated values, like there's many, how many duplicated values are there. So dot same for the center 3 comma again this one print f dot duplicated. Don't worry, I will explain you like line by line. Just stay with me. Let me write the whole code. First, print tiles. Like I'm printing multiple of things. So just be with me. Dot enter 82, comma ef dot one tile 2.05, comma 1. Okay. Check data frame. I'm hoping like there will be no error. Yeah. So you can see now like multiple information regarding dataset is printed. So this shape is for like how many rows and columns present in the dataset. Like in types, you can say like every column type like object, int64, float64, and many more are like present. So like you can see review text is like object and day difference is int64 and Wilson lower bound is float64. Okay. So total missing values. So total missing values are like one from here and one from here. Like one in from reviewer name and other is from reviewer text. And like there is no duplicated values in our dataset. And here you can see. So like after that quantiles. A quantile defines a particular part of the dataset. That is, a quantile determines how many values in the distribution are above or below a certain limit. Special quantiles are the like quartile quarter, and you can say quintile, that the fifth one, and the percentile which is from hundredth. Okay, so quantile is for like quarter, or the you can say the fifth one. So why I wrote this 83, 82, and this for this purpose, for making this something look cool. That is why. Okay, and yeah. So moving forward, let's see unique values and in each column. Okay, so I will write def check class data frame unique f equals to pd dot data frame variable variable data frame dot columns comma classes colon data frame I will write like n unique unique UUE for I in data frame dot columns, okay, like n unique q or df equals to dot sort values classes comma ascending equals to false. Okay, n unique underscore df equals to n unique ef dot reset index drop equals to true. Return n unique QUE and unique underscore df. Check underscore class, which one? Df. So let me run this first. Yeah, it's running. You can see here. Okay, there is an error classes. Okay, check class df. It's saying that this is okay. C is capital, C is small. Let me run now. Yeah. So here you can see the every column having unique values are sorted in descending order. Like review tags have like more unique values, so it come first, and then reviewer name, reviewer time, day difference, Wilson lower bound, score average, then goes to overall. Okay, moving forward, let's do some categorical variable analysis for overall. Yes, so this will be like amazing. Something amazing is going to be happen. So constants equals to, so I'm giving here like some color values. So B34 D22 EB00C. Okay, so you can change, you can like write whatever you want color. Hashtag, oh I didn't write hashtag here. Hashtag 3, come on, 1 F C. Hashtag 0C92 EB. EB0 C and then D, you like 5, right? Okay, so def, let's make function. Okay, small def categorical variable summary. Okay, df comma column. Okay, categorical variable summary. Yeah, perfect. So let's make some figures. So make subplots, plots, rows equals to 1 comma calls equals to 2. Let me write from here like subplot titles equals to count plot like 1 for percentage. Okay. So specs equals to a like type colon colon y, okay, comma same type colon here domain. Figure dot add and then trace go dot bar like one bar and one that pie chart. Okay, y equals to df columns column name value values dot to list for x you can like string, yeah, str I for I in, yeah, column name dot value dot counts index, text equals to df column name dot value counts and then bracket dot values dot to list. Okay, so for text font the size should be 14 is enough, I guess. So column underscore name exposition. So I'm doing for like making chart. So stay with me to see that amazing chart. Okay. So show legend. To dict color equals to constraints. So these are the like colors. So I'm giving here value like variable name constraints. comma line equals to line. Hashtag DBE6EC, comma width to 1. Okay, small. Okay, let me just like go over through everything is correct or not for the column name. Value counts index. Yeah, it's fine. Text equals to df column name dot value counts dot values to list. Okay. Text font equals to tick size, then okay, 14 size is enough. Name equals to column name, and text position equals to auto, and show legend false, and mark dict like color equals to constant. Okay, fine. Line equals to color, and this, yeah, this. Okay, cool. Row equals to 1 comma column equals to 1. Seems good. Like for pie chart, we will make figure dot add. So this is done for the line chart, not line chart, that bar chart, and this I'm doing for the pie chart. Okay, trace go dot pie f columns, column name, value, count, is values equals to df, again that column name, dot value count, counts, and dot values. Text font equals to text size. I will prefer 18 is enough. Exposition equals to like auto is fine. So legend equals to no need of legend, false. Name equals to column name, value, column name. Equals to like text, then colors equals to constants. Equals to 1. One column equals to 2, like in second. Okay, you will see and you will get to know, don't worry. So figure dot update layout middle equals to next column 0.9 0.5 comma x or should be on center. Then y anchor be on top. It equals to shortly a I plot figure. Let me run this. Okay, like okay, call equals to 2. Now let's see the chart of like column overall one. So we will write here categorical, okay, variable summary, and then data frame name df comma overall. Okay, let's run this. Okay, it's loading here. It's loading. Yeah, you can see this is our bar plot and this is our pie chart. So like this is overall, from overall you can say that column. So like percentage bar and that bar plot. So this is how our like pie chart and bar chart looks like. I hope you guys understand till here. If you have any questions or any query regarding any code, okay, like any code, any sort of code, so just put as in comments. Our team will shortly provide you the correct solution. So moving forward, our goal is to rank the comments by the sentiment analysis, so we don't get hung up on the other details. I have sorted this dataset according to certain rules before. So moving forward, we want to clean our data. So let's see the sample data for cleaning. So df dot review text, okay, dot head. Let me run this. So this is our sample data looks like. So let's see like data, full data for this. Okay, let me see for this, I guess. Okay. For like any particular row, you can say I can take. Okay. So I will write review underscore example example equals to df dot review text. I will take a random 2031, I guess. Okay, so review underscore example. So this is like at 2031, there is one review text. Okay, so in that the whole data is here. Like, so my lovely wife bought me a Samsung Galaxy Tab for father. This. Like to find the exact model number. This is a long, comment. I got the this. It works like a charm. Okay, so after seeing this data, what we're gonna do is like we will clean it from punctuation and numbers using regex. Regex what? Regular expression. Okay. So here I will write review underscore example. Okay. Equals to re dot sub, and what I will do is, okay, I will explain. Don't worry. Small a to capital A to Z. Okay. Comma, then space, comma, review underscore example at, sorry, yeah, review example. So here we used re for regular expression. Okay, and so all the punctuation and numbers are removed from particular data. So let me check first. Okay, this A to Z, then A to Z. Okay, fine. So like all the punctuation and numbers are removed from particular data. I will now convert the text to all lowercase. Our machine learning algorithm recognize words that start with the capital letters as a different word, and we will convert them to lowercase. So thus our machine learning algorithm will not perceive words that start with a capital letter as a different word. So what I will do is, here I will write review sample equals to review, again example dot lower. I will split. Okay, your example. So here you can see we have converted all the words in the lowercase letter by using lower function. And why they are coming in new lines? Because we are splitting them using split function. Okay, if you see only did lowercase for single row like we did for the like 20, I guess 2031. Okay, yeah. So let's make all rows same in lowercase. So I will write here rt equals to lambda x. Cool. Str dr x for df view text is capital text df view text. Text. Okay, equals to df view text. Yeah, dot lower df dot head. Yeah. See, all the data is in like lowercase. So I printed just top 10 rows, and like in reviews text column, all the are in the lowercase now. So I hope you guys understand till here. If you have any question or any query regarding any code or question till here, like any code, just put as in comments. Our team will shortly provide you the correct solution. And if you need this full code, you can comment down below. Okay. So now the time is come to do sentiment analysis because all the data is sorted. So what will I write here? Let me do it little bit up. Yeah. So I will write from, yeah, from Vader sentiment dot Vader sentiment port sentiment intensity analyzer. Okay. F polarity subjectivity. Okay, subjectivity equals to df review text dot apply lambda text pd dot series. Okay, here you write text blob, then again text dot like sentiment. Let me run for loop for index comma row in df review text dot item items for you sentiment intensity analyzer dot polarity scores row negative score for neutral. I will write score. If for positive, if this is something crazy, if negative is greater than positive, then df dot location index comma sentiment equals to negative. negative. Okay, then else if positive is greater than negative, then in this case df dot log index comma sentiment equals to positive p capital, else df dot loc index sentiment equals to neutral. S- Okay, so like this is for sentiment analysis and text blob. This thing like text blob, this blob. Okay, it's blob. A text blob will return polarity and subjectivity. Polarity indicates your mood, that is, whether it is positive or negative or neutral. It returns a value between 0 and 1. The closer to 1, the more positive. And the closer to 0 is more negative. Okay, let me run this. It will take a little bit time because this sentiment. Okay, it is getting error. Like module panda has no attribute series. Okay, which one? Text box. Text. Yeah, sentiment. Okay, here, what is the thing? S is capital. Let me run now. It is executing like wait for a while, wait. So it will take time to run because of this sentiment intensity analyzer. It take times. Again, sentiment intensity analyzer. Okay, spelling mistake again. Why index? Index is not defined. Okay, sorry again. Index. It will run, I guess, because everything seems good. Negative, positive, and this else. Still loading, so I have to wait like for like 2 minutes more, I guess. Still loading, guys. Yeah, it take time. Sentiment intensity analyzer. So let me tell you again, sentiment analysis. Like this text blob will return polarity and subjectivity. So polarity indicates your mood. That is whether it is positive, it is negative, or it will be neutral. It returns a value between 0 and 1. The closer to 1, the more positive. The closer to 0, more negative. Okay. I guess it's still running. So it will take time. So let me write code for that. 20 interpretation. I repeat. Moving forward, let's identify the 20 interpretation. Now we can include the positive, negative, and neutral status of the comment. Okay. Then df sentiment equals to positive thought leaves Wilson lower standing equals to false. Okay. Dot head, it's 5. If I will run, it may give errors to me because it's still running here, it's still loading. So let let me write code for that unbalanced data problem. So like we will category that data into positive, negative, and neutral. Okay, so categorical variable summary df element. Yeah, it came like this because of this. Wait, I will tell you. Yeah. So here you can see the pie chart distributed in negative, positive, and neutral emotions. Okay. Or you can say ratings. And here you can see the bar chart also. So, and you can see the percentage distributed in each, like in positive, negative, and neutral one. So, I hope you guys must understood the concept of sentiment analysis, how we can implement it using Python. If you have any queries, you can ask in the comment section below. Our team will respond you as soon as possible. If you want this full code, just comment for the same. Thank you so much for being here. If you enjoyed this live session, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel and give a like to this video. Thank you and keep learning.